So I'm standing in front of my first abstract expressionism acrylic painting. I've been painting oils on canvas since I was a kid, and I would paint impressionist paintings. My mentor was Claude Monet and some of the other famous impressionists. And more recently, I've been really embracing abstract expressionism because a lot of it is about the process and the texture and just like the sheer expression, right? I find that impressionism is like that too, but abstract expressionism is just much more abstracted. And it is amazing to see how sometimes paintings that are abstract expressionism, they're really blotches of color, they're scratches, they're drips, they're drops, but they still express and can resemble a forest or a sky or a busy city or just evoke emotions. And so that's what kind of sparked my curiosity in abstract expressionism, and so I started doing it. So initially I started doing it in oils, and this is the first acrylic painting. So you see it behind me. It's a huge canvas. It's 6 by 5. It's one of the largest canvases I've ever done. It's a wall. There's a funny story of how I brought it here. Basically, about 1.5 miles from here, there's a Blick Arts store, and I took the subway. I got a lot of funny looks, but I saved myself $80 delivery fee, and I probably made the hashtag subway creatures with that one, but I did it and it was good. I walked with the wall, I walked down the subway, I took the subway, and I managed to do it, so that's good. So acrylics to me have been really a very liberating experience painting with them. So when I first went to the store, I bought heavy body acrylics and retardants, basically anything that would slow the drying process, because acrylics dry instantly, very much unlike oils. And so I was trying to replicate the same feeling of painting with oils with acrylics. I didn't want to step away too far from what I'm familiar with. And so that's what I did. And then actually in the process, it was still kind of drying very fast. I still found the colors a little dull or something, like it was just not the same. And eventually I tried fluid body acrylics, and that really got me interested in acrylics. And just in the process got to try a lot of different medium, like gel mediums, fluid mediums. And eventually, this painting is actually a painting. There's probably 5 paintings underneath. It really was trial and error, but eventually I came up with this concept, and basically this painting is a representation of the scene that you're seeing behind me right now. It's basically the sunrise colors that I would see out these beautiful ceiling to floor windows. And I'm trying to actually show you, this is the canvas. It is 5 by 6, it's a wall. And I basically painted that gradient of a sunrise or sunset colors. And then to make it more interesting, I decided to hide it sort of behind a veil of clouds perhaps. So make it a little bit more mysterious, and also just introduce a geographic element, a geometrical element into it. And then what I really could never do with oils is this beautiful drip effect. So I just love, like if you actually look from the side, there's some depth to it, just textural depth. So this is it. It was a lot of fun creating this painting. And yeah, I look forward. I have the next canvas already prepped, and that is supposed to be a little bit more like nature, foliage, green. So stay tuned for that. Bye for now.